And she turned. They playing. They playing.
But they don't want the shiny stuff. They're showing me that. Oh man, you work for that one. He bomb rush you at the end. You work for that one.
Oh, I gotta have my baby with me today. I'm gonna sit her right there. I tried to do without her. Tried to do without her. I need a hug sometimes.
Well, that's it. That support pet will get it.
Tried to hit it slow. She made me go fast.
It's over with.
Too much friction, baby.
You know you're right.
A little bit more friction, dog. I had a little bit more, but
hey, pardon the interruption.
There you go. There you go. Net. Oh. Well, it was worth it, wasn't it?
It was.
What is that on YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and we are out here today on Clarks Hill Lake, and I'm fishing today with Webslinger. Where you coming from? What part
Illinois.
of Illinois? Illinois? Hey man, this dude right here is a Crappie slinger. Webslinger, Crappie slinger.
Every now and then.
So folks, we're gonna see if we can put some of these Clark Hill slabs in the boat today, coming to town for the 4th of July weekend. So we ain't fished together in a minute. When the last time we fished together?
It's been a while.
When did you leave Georgia?
15.
Yeah, it's been 11 years.
So,
All right, well, folks, as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves these comments, and everybody, what is that?
stress.
She got other problems. Everybody who leaves those comments and everybody who hits that like button. To my subscribers, you already know what it is. Long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you, you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended the channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever might be fishing with Webslinger.
Yes, sir.
Catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. She bleeding, but she bleeding cool. That was nice work down there, man.
Yeah.
Dropped it right on her. She come and get it. We fishing small. I thought there would be bigger schools of fish in these trees, folks. We fishing small schools. Oh, but they big fish. Oh, but they big fish. That's back. Uh-oh. That's back-to-back Shirley's right here. I might need the net on this one too. What is this? Yeah, that's a crappie. I got it. Yeah, this one ain't as big as the one you just got, but she is going to qualify as a big Shirley. Yes, sir. What you figure that fish you had? £1.25?
Yes.
Well, we got 2 of them out of here. It ain't but about 6 fish. Let's get the next one. She gonna make it. Let me tell you what's funny about that fish right there. She came down and got me.
Oh.
I'm like, that ain't no crappie. It came down and got me. Don't get used to it. Shoot. One of them gotta be stupid. Ooh, there she go. I'm gonna have to make that a skirt on the video. Swing and a miss. Come on. Come on.
Moving.
I tried slow. I tried speeding the cadence up. She is just not gonna do it. In the strip club, man, they saying you can look, but you can't touch. Make us feel like they want us. Make us feel like she wants us. Yeah, that's. I could change your life.
I'm gonna let
All
you.
right, we're gonna get them out here. Get you another one. Straight up, just tracking you. Come on out of here now. Get what they tell you. You ain't supposed to be in these here pots. What you doing right there? Yep. She was smooth with it. Smooth with it. She was smooth with it. Oh, Lord Jesus, that's another horse. Come on here, girl. Come on here, girl. Hey, baby. We ain't caught nothing small yet.
Awesome.
Got him.
Boy, you hit it soft.
Mm-hmm, real soft. She dragging like that. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. Oh, yeah.
I feel bigger myself.
Yeah, she act like she was bigger.
Found one.
She just touched it, didn't she?
Just felt weight.
Mm-hmm. Take your pick. Mm. There she goes. Got him! Got him! Got a flipper? You need an net. Yeah.
Sir.
You don't have to see a bunch of them. You just got to see the good ones.
How about that?
Trick.
I can find that.
Did you set it like it was a fish?
No. Well, I thought it was a fish, and I tightened it, and I didn't set it.
Right now.
I'm gonna try to banjo the line and see if we can.
Yeah, but you know now, if the video showed that you said it like it was a fish, you got to give it shimmy.
Well, I guess I have to give a shimmy then. Okay. I did pull it.
Well, come on, give the people what they want. Give the people what they want.
Give it a little shimmy. Shimmy.
I'm gonna check the video and be like, hey man, you owe me a shimmy. Oh shoot. Oh man, got dogged it. So here's what happened with this foot pedal. Oh shoot, that's a fish. Come on out of there. What was that? Did you see it?
I saw it.
Looked like a little bass or something. Yeah, we stuck on another one. I'm gonna let it sit there. Here's one right here on my left. On my right, rather. Come on, man.
Lake is like that, man. You've never seen so many like Lake Forest.
Got him! One shot, one kill. Oh, get out of that tree. There you go. I don't need the net for you, but you gonna make a fryer. She can get home.
Oh yeah.
She gonna make a cut. Shoot. Wait. Oh, at least it got water in it. Something told me to bring my computer out here this morning. Yep. Work trying to get in the way of my fishing on a holiday.
Go ahead and cast, man. I'm on top of that.
Right down in the middle of it right now. Come on, do that. There you go.
True, that's a good one.
She chasing me down. Oh, that's the thing. Where's my line? Where's my line? There it is. There it is. I said I gotta watch for the twitch. I was watching for the twitch and you twitched me. Oh, you little old runt. I mean, she ain't a runt, but she ain't what we've been catching. She gonna make it. She might be about 11 inches. 11 inches. I bet you she'll curl the bottom of the bucket. All right, want me to go get it?
No, see if we can catch another one.
Nope, pretty sure we didn't. They ain't going nowhere. Where you at?
Straight down in them.
Oh. She look bigger. I don't like this boat. There we go. Come on, swing me around. Swing me around. What's up? It ain't too forgiving either, though. Oh, well, there we go. I said horses are dinks. That ain't a good call, right? Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Ain't she cute? Ain't she cute? Get on out of here now. Get. Oh no! Oh no!
Shimmy crack corn, bro.
Shimmy, shimmy! Oh! Got me!
Shimmy crack corn.
I ain't even about to fight with that. Oh, I got it off. No, I didn't. I broke it off. Oh well. She's all yours. Let me go back in. I got 2 down and 1 up. Let me tie these 2. You don't do nothing, I don't work on and get out of here. There's another brush pile up that way. Stump behind us. We got options. What up?
Hey, look here, that pig give you away in the afro.
What's going on, man?
I look like somebody I know with that pig in the top of his head.
Hey, now.
How you doing? What y'all doing, man?
We got a few good ones. We caught some good ones earlier, but then they kind of died off.
Oh, yeah, I recognize that pig there, bro.
I can't hide, huh?
No, dry, you can't hide, bro. I only got 4. What y'all got, about 10 or 15?
Probably maybe about 8, 9, close to 10. Yeah, but the ones we got are good ones.
Okay.
Yeah, they're good ones. Cut my hair, is that what you're telling me?
Start from the side, that's it. Oh, yeah, the sun at his back you couldn't see. You got that profile, so that's it right there. Let me go over there.
All right, YouTube, that is going to wrap up another episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. We got a few slabs here. Webslinger.
What up, man?
What you do, man? What you do? What you do?
Listen, we didn't do all we wanted to, but it worked out a little bit for us. The bike turned off early. Once that sun got over the trees, it was over. So the best thing to do now is to get out before the sun get up, get on them, get out.
And when the best days to go?
Any day that ends in Y.
So as always, folks, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Webslinger.
What up, yo?
Catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Take care, all.